1. Lal Bahadur Shastri, born on October 2, 1904, was the second Prime Minister of independent India, succeeding Jawaharlal Nehru. 2. Shastri is remembered for his leadership during the Indo-Pakistani War of 1965, where he coined the famous slogan, Jai Jawan Jai Kisan, to boost morale, acknowledging the contributions of both soldiers and farmers. 3. He played a crucial role in shaping India's Green Revolution, emphasizing agricultural self-sufficiency and increased food production. 4. Lal Bahadur Shastri was known for his simplicity, integrity, and dedication to public service, earning him the nickname Man of Peace. 5. His administration focused on economic and social development, with initiatives like the Community Development Program and the National Dairy Development Board. 6. Shastri led by example, choosing to resign as the railway minister after a train accident as a mark of accountability. 7. Lal Bahadur Shastri signed the Tashkent Agreement in 1966, aimed at resolving conflicts with Pakistan following the Indo-Pakistani War. 8. He passed away under mysterious circumstances in Tashkent on January 11, 1966, shortly after signing the peace agreement. 9. The Shastri Institute of Management in Delhi and the Shastri Indo-Canadian Institute are named in his honor, recognizing his contributions. 10. Lal Bahadur Shastri's legacy is one of humility, patriotism, and dedication to the welfare of the nation, making him a revered figure in Indian history.